So good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training and welcome to CoreJava online batch. Sir, it is not offline, it is a completely online. So let me give some information about this course, what we are going to discuss in this course. Vaishnavi, please be on mute. So what this course is going to do, what kind of approach we are going to use in this complete core Java classes, all these things we will discuss. Sir, first let me start with myself. Sir, I'm K. Prakash Babu. Okay, having almost 14 years of experience in as a trainer. As a trainer, so I trained students. So in various domains. Okay, so yeah, almost 14 years of experience is there in Java. So continuously from after my completion of graduation, post graduation, immediately I was in this training field. And presently I am working as a technical trainer at DurgaSoft. So from the past 1.5 years I am having this DurgaSoft experience. And the handling subjects are I'm handling so core and advanced Java. So Python course I'm starting, full stack Java. And there is one beautiful concept is there called logic based programming. So this batch I am the founder, and I am taking almost 15 to 20 batches completed in this logic based programming. Yeah, this is nothing but about myself. I'm not going beyond that. And coming to this course, sir, I can learn Java. We have so many free websites are there, and so many trainers are there to train the students in Java. So what I can expect from your side? That is very, very important point. Okay, sir, why we need to attend? Okay, why we need to attend? So Prakash Babu sir classes. So first, let me give the clarity for this. Okay, because so many people are having doubts on this, right? Generally, you are going to get these kind of doubts. So because in this particular world, so if you open YouTube, everything will be available. But what thing you are going to expect apart from that? Sir, first thing, every topic. So clear explanation will be provided. Clear explanation will be provided from my side. So by taking some real-time examples, So real-time examples in the sense, don't consider projects, all these things. So in general world, when we are going to market, what thing happen? So that scenario I will correlate with Java so that you can understand that concept very well. So if you learn by taking the examples, it will be easily injected into your brain. Okay. So second thing, sir, we are going to focus mainly on coding area. Coding area. So our main intention is nothing but coding area. We are going to give assignments for practice. Assignments for practice. So assignments in the sense, we have one hacker rank link is there. Okay, hacker rank link is there. In this, in Java, you can expect 100 plus programs. So after completion of every topic, so I'm going to upload those programs in a given link. You can practice that link. Okay, you can open, for example, if the program demands addition of two numbers, after completion of arithmetic operators, immediately I will upload 5 to 6 programs on that link and I will inform you, so that if you practice that, so you will be very strong in that coding area. For every topic we have programs, sir. So we will mainly focus on coding area. Then, so running notes will be shared on daily basis. So after completion of the session, immediately I'm going to upload the running notes. Okay, so via Google Drive. Yes, the tool which we are using here is nothing but Google Drive. So you can cross check in your Google Drive. There will be a special folder. So in that folder, daily I am going to upload the running notes after completion of the session. Next, at the end of course, sir, we are going to discuss various interview questions. Okay, various interview questions we are going to discuss at the end. Maybe you can expect that PDF document also after completion of the course. For example, so what is the difference between extends and implements? When we have to go for extends keyword, when we have to go for implements keyword, or what is the use of destructor? So in C++, why destructor concept is not there in Java? What is mean by garbage collection? So why Java is not supporting multiple inheritance? What is the reason? Okay. So what is single thread based programs, multi-thread based programs? And what is mean by array? What advantages we have in arrays when compared with other language arrays? So what is mean by string handling? How many types of string handlings are there? So what is mean by mutable object? What is mean by immutable object? Like this n number of interview questions we are going to cover at the end of our course. Next, sir, the last point, of course, very, very important. Sir, we are going to share hacker rank link. Okay. Next, running notes. Okay. And related are required PDFs. Okay. So these things are lifetime validity. But you can expect videos up to 7 months. These videos you can't able to download, but you can view these videos up to 7 months. So this is nothing but the speciality what my classes are going to provide for you people. Okay, so mainly you are going to enjoy in this area. Then, so coming to the syllabus. Sir, what about the syllabus? What things you are going to cover as a part of core Java? Sir, first one, I'm going to provide introduction to programming. Introduction to programming. Okay. Sir, why we need to do programming? What is the purpose of programming? So if you are able to write the programming, what benefits we are going to get? Sir, I don't know anything about the previous programming background. So can I start this Java as my first programming language? Or so in my company, they're asking to work on Java environment. Is this course is benefitable? Yes. For all these things, so programming, how it is going to be useful, I'm going to explain. Then we are going to talk about history of Java. So who invented Java? How many versions are there? What struggle they have faced at the time of introducing this Java? N number of things are there. All these things we are going to cover in history of Java. Then, sir, softwares required to run Java application. Sir, if I want to prepare a small application, if I want to run that application, compulsory we required Java software, right? So software required to run Java applications and installation of those softwares. Sir, every software I will explain with the help of installation. Already I prepared some videos for installation. I will play that videos. Okay. So in this, you can expect edit plus installation, Sublime text installation, Notepad installation, Atom editor installation, VS Code editor installation, Eclipse installation, IntelliJ IDEA installation, NetBeans installation. Okay. But in that, we are going to use minimum 3 to 4 tools in our Java, but not at the very beginning, maybe at the middle or end. Okay. Next, sir, fourth topic. Sir, here steps to prepare. Okay, steps to prepare your first Java application. Sir, if I want to write any Java program, what steps are required? And after completion of these, we will see sample programs. Okay, sample Java programs we are going to see, like how to perform addition of two numbers, how to print a hello world message on the screen. Okay, like that, the basic programs. we are going to solve here. Then, so next and after that, here we are going to talk about the data types which are available in Python, Java, data types, and typecasting. So converting one type of data into another type of data, how you can work with this. Then we are going to talk about the comments. Next and after that, keywords. Next and after that, identifiers. Next and after that, variables and constants. These things we are going to cover. Next, one theory concept, which is nothing but Java features. Okay, sir, when compared with other languages, what benefits are there in Java? Why we need to learn Java? Something like a platform dependency. Okay, so JVM architecture. So architecture neutral Java is a simple programming language. Java is object oriented. Java is robust. Okay, so networking support is there, so hence it is a distributed programming language. Like this, we have n number of features are there. Okay, so all these features, of course, it is a theory topic we will discuss. Next and after that, naming conventions. Sir, if I want to name a kid, then we are going to follow certain rules and regulations, right? In the same way, if I want to take a simple variable name, generally what we are going to do, integer hall ticket number, this is never recommended, sir. So officially we have to take like this, hall ticket number, like this you need to take. So it is a more meaningful statement. Okay, but of course in the practice we won't take this much, but in the development of projects, compulsory you need to take this, sir. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. So naming conventions. Okay, so next and after that, sir, what about um, operators? So before that, we need to talk about input and output statements. Sir, if I want to write any Java program, you can take any Java program. So suppose consider this is my small Java application I prepared, so to perform addition of two numbers. So some statements I have written here, consider this is the code to perform addition operation. Sir, how to prepare this code, that's what Java is going to teach you. Okay, don't worry. So we will write a program for this purpose. Sir, my Java program is there. Consider this program is nothing but addition.java. Like this I have. Sir, compulsory for this Java program, you need to supply input or not? Yes. So once if you supply the input, my Java program is going to provide output also. Yes. So this is nothing but input what I am going to take, and this is nothing but output what I got. So I can say this one is nothing but input for the Java program. So this is nothing but output of the Java program, right? For example sake, suppose if I am giving input as 1 and 2, I can expect output as a 3 because you have written a program to perform addition of two numbers. So if you want to deal with this, sir, we know how to prepare this application, but how to read the data from the console, how to print the output to the console. Sir, this input may be, okay, this input may be console in the sense, I can say it is nothing but a screen. Okay, so or you can read the data from file, or you can read the data from database. So here also you can display the output on console, or you can display the console on screen. So you can display, you can write the output on file, you can write the output on database. Like this we can do. So these type of things are there. Okay, 1 minute, I will show that program also so that you people can understand well. Yes. So you can see here, this is my small Java program. Okay, this is my small Java program. So which is going to create one file with name addition.txt. Same program. So whatever data you are giving, it that particular information will be stored on addition.txt file. Like that, we can create a file and we can store information into that. Whatever input user is giving, The same thing I am going to write it to the file. Don't worry, all these things we will discuss. Okay, so input and output, I am talking with respect to input and output. Compulsory you need to read input from the user, and after processing that input, whatever result you got, you must give that results to the end user, sir. This is very, very important. Then next and after that, so after completion of input and output statements, we have operators are there, and the types of operators are there. Okay, and even operator precedence, operator precedence. Sir, I have one simple expression is there, like 2 plus 3, okay, into 4. Sir, in two ways we can solve this program. Evaluate first addition and then multiplication, or first multiplication and then addition. Sir, how Java is going to do? So that thing will comes under precedence. We have some precedence table is there, based on that it is going to evaluate. So next we are going to talk about sequential flow of execution. Okay, sequential flow of execution. Then we are going to talk about sir, control flow or flow control in Java. So how you can able to disturb the actual flow of execution. Okay, so for that we have selection statements are there. So under these selection statements we are going to see simple if, so if else, else if, so nested if, so switch case, all these things we are going to cover. So next and after that, we have loops are there. In loops, we are going to talk about while loop, so do while loop, so for loop, and also for each loop. Like this, we have different types of looping statements are there. Of course, for every looping statement, we are going to cover n number of programs. And even we are going to talk about the transfer statements which is available. So next and after that, under this transfer statements, I think you know very well, we have break and continue is there. Okay, which is very, very important. And we are going to talk about nested loops. And sir, there are some pattern programs will be there. That pattern programs also we are going to cover. So pattern programs in the sense, just a minute. Yes, so yeah, like this we can see some pattern related programs. So how to prepare these type of programs, how you can able to code for that. So not all the patterns, but majority of the patterns we are going to cover. Okay, so these are nothing but the basics. So next and after that, so after completion of this, we are going to talk about arrays. So what is mean by array? Minimum 3 or 4 hours we are going to talk on arrays. So because Java arrays are more powerful when compared with other programming languages. Okay, so that's why we are going to spend maximum time on this arrays. Next and after that, string handling in Java. Okay, for this we have string class is there. So we have string buffer class is there. So we have string builder class is there. So we have string tokenizer class is there. So by using this we can prepare n number of string objects, and you can work on that. Sir, I want to read a sentence from the user. In that sentence, so how many vowels are there, how many consonants are there, how many digits are there, how many special characters are there, how many spaces are there. Okay, like that I want to count. Yes, no problem, you can go. Sir, I want to read a name from the user. I want to convert it to complete uppercase, or I want to complete lowercase, or swap case. That means if the data is in uppercase, I need to convert to lower. Sir, if the data is in lowercase, I need to convert it to upper. How you can do? So every word first character I want to capitalize. Okay, sir, every word I want to reverse. So the complete sentence I want to reverse. Like that, n number of things will be there. So in this string also minimum 3 or 4 hours. One complete week, we are going to talk about these arrays and strings, sir. That much importance is there. So if you want, 1 minute, in arrays also we have some programs you can see. So write a Java program to read array elements and calculate some of the elements. We have n number of programs we are going to discuss. So in the string also you can see all the predefined methods we are going to discuss. and even some programs also related to that. Yeah, maybe here I have not included. Okay, no problem. So we are going to talk about those programs also. Okay, so next and after that, after completion of this, we are going to enter into the main theme, object oriented programming concepts, sir, which is very very important. Almost we have 50 subtopics are there in this. Okay, it is a completely theory. Sir, object oriented programming is a format. Okay, any programming language can implement that particular format, like Java, C++, Python. Some languages will use that object oriented programs completely. Some programming languages up to certain limit they will use. Some programming languages 50% implementation they can provide. So some concepts will be supported, some concepts may not. Okay, but what is this object oriented programming? So in this object oriented programming, every topic you can expect with a real time example. Sir, I have my own bike is there. So it is nothing but public bike. Means what? I can travel by myself. So I can travel, I can give my bike to my friend, I can give my bike to my relative, like that. Sir, I have my own car is there. So if you want to maintain that car properly, sir, I'm going to handle that car only by myself, or one of my family but not relatives, like that. Sir, now I have my personal laptop is there. So no one, including my kids or my friends, are not allowed to touch my laptop, because so much of information may be available. So like that, these concepts I am whatever I explained with the help of example, access specifiers, public, private, protected, default, like that. So in the same way, sir, parent is having some kid properties. They are going to earn some properties. That properties they are going to give to kid. So it is a kind of inheritance that the kid is going to extract the properties, but not all. Suppose if a parent suggested to marry a particular girl, definitely at certain age the kid is going to accept that statement. But once if the kid turn to 20 years, he is not going to accept. So then immediately what will happen? Whatever marry name is there, marry implementation is there in parent class, that will be changed by child. Some X person you need to marry, like that parent given instruction. Then immediately he is going to remove that X, he will bring Y. This concept is called as overriding. So like this, we have n number of things will be there. All these things we are going to cover. Okay, with the help of beautiful real-time examples, I will take all these OOPS concepts. So once if the OOPS concepts is completed, there is one special class is there called wrapper classes. So these terminologies you may not understand, but don't worry. So inner classes, inner classes. Okay. So next and after that, we are going to talk about exception handling. Runtime errors. See, runtime errors are very very important, sir. For example, if you take a calculator application, you can see here. So whenever I am taking 5 divided by 2, what answer I got? 2.5. But the same 5 divided by 0, generally anything divided by 0 will create a infinite, right? Generally it won't run, it won't run. But so what my application is going to respond? So if it is terminated abnormally, then it is not correct, right? So this calculator application is used by client, myself is the client. So when I am running this program, if this application struck, then definitely I will report, right? So this calculator application is not working properly, like that. So in the same way, how to handle these type of things? Sir, what message it is telling? Can't divide by 0. Sir, the person who don't know anything about the programming, they can understand this meaning, saying, so we can't divide a number with 0. Next time onwards, he is not going to do that activity. So such a type of interface. So if the program is terminating abnormally, you need to give some alternative message. So that thing we are going to cover in this exception handling. Next and after that, we are going to talk about regular expressions. So this is very, very important. Regular expressions, very, very important. So I want to, a simple example I am taking. So I want to read a mobile number from the user, and I want to check if the mobile number is available in the database. If that number is available, I need to give some confirmation message. Assume in my database 1 crore mobile numbers are there. Sir, taking an application, I mean taking a mobile number from the user, searching in 1 crore database is a worst programming practice. So what we have to do, first of all, whenever you are reading that number from the user mobile number, try to send this mobile number to one of the small application. So for this application, try to send the mobile number. This program will validate whether your mobile number is in a proper format or not. Then it will return true. If it returns true, search in the database. If it returns false, immediately throw the message to the user saying the mobile number which you have given is invalid. Sir, what rules are there? We know, right? Mobile number should contain 10 digits. And the beginning digit can be from 6 to 10. Sorry, 6 to 9. Like that, how you can able to do? That validations can be done by using these regular expressions, or I can say validations. Okay, mobile number validation, email ID validation, bank account number validation, IFSC code validation, PAN number validation. All these things we can discuss in this domain. Okay, so next and after that, sir, we are going to talk about multi-threading. Sir, what is mean by multi-thread? So just in the example somewhere I told single thread based systems, multiple thread based systems. It is a common approach, sir, nowadays. For example, consider even in your parents. So they are going to use some proverbs also. Like for example, if I'm giving a task for you, so go and bring this particular item. Sir, next you are going to market or you are going somewhere to finish that task. When you came back with the same task, then it is not good, sir. So whenever you are moving outside, you need to map all the things, all the works that you can able to do parallelly on that area. For example, if I'm going for a market, then definitely I'm going to do multiple tasks. Okay, parallelly I will pay my bills or whatever required for my house I will bring. Okay, like that n number of activities we are going to do parallelly. So this concept is called as multi-threading, which is very very essential in upcoming programming languages. So then next and after that, we are going to talk about the collections and generics, which is very very important. Some people may use the word called data structures in Java. Yes, we have powerful data structures are there. So like linked list, stack, queue, array, everything we are going to cover. Okay, so next and after that, sir, I am going to talk about reflection API also. Okay, reflection API also I'm going to cover. So after completion of this enumeration, enum, what is mean by enumeration? When we can go for these enumerations, we are going to discuss. So next and after that, I'm going to talk about the file and database handling. File and database handling. Sir, how you can able to communicate with the database, how you can able to communicate with the files. So after completion of all these things, so Java new features. Okay, Java new features. What are the new features which came? I'm not going to cover all the features, but what features are important? Okay, like a stream API is there. Okay, next and after that, lambda expressions are there. Okay, so like this, the basic things whatever we required, we are going to cover in this Java new features. So this is nothing but the syllabus what we are going to plan in this Java course. Sir, now I request everyone to please confirm if you are having any queries, okay, on the syllabus and the mode of teaching. Please confirm so that we can clarify all our doubts and then we will move one step forward. Yes, please confirm. Up to this, do you have any doubts, friends? Yes, feel free to communicate. Yeah, JDBC will be covered.
All this stuff in IntelliJ, whatever the steps that we have mentioned, like 30 steps, right? So will that be done everything or it would be IntelliJ or Visual Studio Code?
Sir, it will be covered in all domains. Like first we are going to practice the programs in the edit plus, and sometimes we will use a sublime text, sometimes we will use VS code, sometimes we are going to use Eclipse. Okay, sometimes I'm going to use Atom Editor, sometimes NetBeans, sometimes IntelliJ IDEA. Like this, every domain we will touch, sir. So finally you can able to do the programming in any environment. Clear, Nazir?
I have a question,
Okay,
Prakash.
but these are.
Yeah, wait, please. Nazir, can you speak? Nazir, your voice is not audible.
Give sir. Now can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So this is like all these stuffs which you mentioned on this 30 topics, right? So these are the main course of Java.
Yes, these are the
And,
main course of Java. Yes, it is a core Java.
Okay. So all these will be coming in our coding, right? So you're gonna
Yeah,
use all this
definitely.
stuff and you're gonna write a programs for this.
Yes, for everything I'm going to write the program.
Okay. And do we have anything other than this, or just these 30 steps are we looking at in the syllabus?
Maybe one or two will be there. Those are deprecated or newly introduced concepts. No problem. Once if you know these things, enhancing your knowledge on the Java will become very easy.
Okay. And so will this be taking like around 2 months or like 6 weeks?
2 months, 2 months, 2 months.
Okay.
Every day 1 hour class will be there, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, right. Any other doubts?
No, sir. I'm good.
Yeah. Okay.
Include Saturday, Sundays?
Probably we won't take on weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, but Saturday you can expect sometimes programming and the installation of the softwares, like that extra stuff we are going to cover on Saturdays. Like 1.5 hours like that I am taking pattern programs, string handling programs, other than theory part. So some exercises, all these things we are going to do on Saturdays. Like you can say it is a doubts clarification section, or we can say some practice oriented classes, like that it will be there. But Sunday maximum I want to take, so maybe 1 or 2 times in this entire course I may take 2 Sundays.
Okay, so I have a question.
Yeah, please, Samit.
I just saw another flyer that said that you are teaching full stack Java also. Is this the same
Yes,
class?
yes. No, it is
Okay,
only core Java as of now. It is not full stack, it is only core Java.
okay. So, but the timing was the same. So I'm assuming that you will continue from this, or will it be a
um,
separate batch?
yeah, actually we are thinking on that. Just give me some time. At the end I will conclude about the timings. Please wait till the end.
Okay, okay, yeah. Because I was more interested into full stack and knowing about it, what all will it cover and all. Yeah, but it's okay.
Yeah, okay. Yes, Srikanth,
I
please
have
go
a
ahead.
question.
Yeah,
Yeah.
please.
So you said like the problems will be given after every topic or so. Well, my question is like the object-oriented programming concepts, like do we get to practice anything on that, or
Yeah,
is it only theory
see,
part?
yeah, correct. A good question from you, Srikanth. See, if you take fundamentals, so except in object oriented, in every topic you can expect the programs like a regular expression means just now I told taking the IFSC code from the user and taking the what is a format that IFSC code will be there from the net, and you can prepare a regular expression for that. So practice related things you can get on all the concepts except OOPS. Object oriented programming is a project related thing. So like when you have to do overloading, when you have to do overriding, such a type of things we can get in object oriented programming things. So for that we are going to give some kind of case studies. Okay, their output is not fixed, but I will give the case study. You have to write a program. For example, consider RBI is there, a Reserve Bank of India. They are going to create one format for this financial year, saying this is the loan. So if you want to distribute the loan for personal loan, this is the interest rate. So for personal loan, these are the documents required. So for car loan, these are the documents required. For education loan, these are the documents required. For education loan, for any other loans, these are the documents required. Like that, I will give some scenarios. Based on that, we have to implement the program. But maybe you have to think like anything to prepare those things. But don't worry, I will take minimum 2 to 3 scenarios for the entire oops. There you can get the complete idea.
Yeah, because I have attended these classes before. The only thing is they teach like theory, and then you forget about it if you don't do anything
No.
about it.
Definitely we will take, sir. For example, here you can see just yeah, you can see here how it is going to work. So like by taking some real-time examples, I'm going to take. So here I explained this concept. So by taking what is mean by interface. So this is the interface concept. So what is mean by interface? All these things with some real-time example, like 10 floors building. If I want to construct a blueprint, a template, or a format is called as interface. So if I construct 4 floors, remaining are still in construction, then it is called as abstract class. The complete building is ready, then it is called as class. Like that, I can differentiate with the help of real-time examples. And I have taken one calculator. So Windows operating system is going to implement that calculator. So Mac OS is going to implement that calculator. Mobile calculator is implementing this. Like this, I will take some example. So later, if student is not getting, we will go in detail with another example also. Like in Java, there is an interface called a driver. MySQL is going to implement a driver class, and he is going to provide Oracle people implementation things. NoSQL people implemented drivers will be there. And I have taken the loan class, how it is going to work, and even vehicle, how it is going to work. Like that, we will take some real-time examples. Max, we will wind up with that. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and sir, once we are done with this CoreJava, understanding the other frameworks like MVC, Spring, everything will become easy, right?
Everything will become very easy, sir.
So just one quick question. I've heard, because I'm new to Java, but I have some understanding of it. But people say that this is the Java full stack developer. CoreJava is handles 70% of it or 60% of it. Is it true?
Yes, correct. 200% true. The reason for that is the complete fundamentals will become here only. Like if you want to speak fluently in English, compulsory alphabets are required, right?
Okay,
So
so
in the
it's
same
genuine.
way,
Okay. Mhm.
it is nothing but basic fundas, complete fundas. Not only for Java, sir. For any programming language, the core concepts are very, very important. If you are very good at core, sir, forget about 2 months. It is not yours. Try to spend 2 hours per day,
Okay.
excluding that Saturday and Sunday. So 1 hour for understanding, for listening my class. Second hour to practice. These videos will be uploaded. Try to maintain a separate note. Don't depend on PDFs and running notes. Try to take a notebook. Whatever I explained, try to watch that video one more time and try to prepare by yourself. So if I'm giving any assignments, you have to try from your side. See, Java 100% I will provide, but whatever there in my mind, if you want to copy everything, it is possible only if you practice so simultaneously from my regular classes. Then you will become expert. At very beginning, the students are in very good mood, but once 50% syllabus gone, the students are not showing that much interest. So maybe you can count on fingers. Only those students can get more stuff, sir. So once if you done with these 2 months, whatever plan I said, if you complete these 2 months with that plan, make sure that you will perfect in Java. So that much guarantee I can provide.
Okay, so one last question. So basically, as I told you, my last goal is to become a full stack developer, Java developer. How much more time will it take me after your class to achieve that level? Like that rest of the 30%, yeah.
Maybe another 2 months you need to spend, sir.
Okay. Good. Great, sir. Sounds good. Okay, sir.
Right.
Sure. Okay, sir.
Right. Some messages are coming in the chat window. Will you tell the installation of all the softwares like NetBeans, Edit Plus like that? Yes. Satyanarayana. Yes, we are going to cover all these things. Don't worry at all. Every IDE installation, I will explain step by step. So maybe my system is going to not respond for that. That's why I prepared some videos, sir. Okay, I prepared some videos. That is very, very important. See here, you can able to see installation videos. All the videos are available in my system. So you can check edit IDE, Eclipse IDE installation. So even how to execute JDBC program in that NetBeans IDE, NetBeans installation. So installation of Java 18. Okay, so installation of MySQL. At the time of database connectivity, we required MySQL. So next, edit plus software, everything I will explain. It is a easy only. Okay, don't worry, I will explain all these things. And a few more questions are there. Sir, are these any prerequisite for this learning course? No, only your time is required, and you must have a zeal to learn this course, except that nothing is required. Okay, and still few more questions are there. What will be roadmap for Java? Sir, what will be the roadmap for Java? Roadmap in the sense, as of now, no roadmap. So we have to go with the flow, whatever syllabus I explained, and every day we are going to see some new concepts, and same thing you have to practice on from your side. Like that, if you attend the classes from day one to last day, and mainly you have to show this same interest from day one to last, definitely you are going to achieve your goals, sir. Okay, I hope all your doubts got clarified, right? Shall I move further? After core Java, you can go with advanced Java. You can go with advanced Java. If you are a fresher, core Java knowledge is sufficient. With this knowledge, you can go to interviews directly. So because they are going to train you in their frameworks, which frameworks they are using, in that they will train you. But for that, basic core Java concept is required. Suppose in the projects, in the frameworks, suppose if they are telling, so read the student data from the user and add that into a list, push that list into this particular database. So like that, if they are asking, you must have a knowledge on classes, you must have a knowledge on setters and getter methods, you must have a concept of attributes, you must have a concept of actions, so you must know the concept of linked list or array list or list interface. So with all these concepts only, you can able to do that task. So yesterday itself I have watched some videos, so regarding interview questions, how the people are asking interview questions. In that, majority of the questions are on from collections, but it not only collection, in that n number of things are there. So like that, you need to prepare. Is it a speed track batch? No, it is a normal track only. 2 months duration will be there for this course, right? So okay, so I'm going to continue now. So please have a look once. Sir, now I have a small thing about the course. So about the course, sir, what about your course? What you are going to have a thing in this? Sir, here, first point about this course is nothing but the title of this course is, as we know that it is core Java. Purely it is nothing but core Java. Okay, sir, what about, okay, what about duration? What about the duration of the course? The duration of this course is nothing but 2 months, sir. 2 months. So I can say 60 hours, vigorous 60 hours is required. Okay, sir, next, if I want to continue for this batch, okay, if you want to continue for this batch, what is the fees? What is the fees? The fees is nothing but rupees 5,000, rupees 5,000, including these running notes, hacker rank link, everything, videos, everything. Okay, but only videos you will get a 7 months access. Okay, sir, to whom we need to contact if I want to register for this class? Sir, the registered, if you want, if you are having any interest, so 9246, okay, 9246, so 212143 is one contact number, or you can go with the 720. Okay, so 721 2427. To these numbers you can contact, but only one small thing is there. Okay, so what is that thing is nothing but, sir, timings. Sir, the timings of this batch is nothing but, sorry, at 7 a.m. we have the classes, not at 8 o'clock. 1 hour before we will start. Okay, so 7 a.m. to maybe 8 or 8:10, like that we will finish. Okay, this is nothing but the timings, but only for demo we have taken at 8 o'clock. Already 7 o'clock batch we started. Some students are registered for that. So that's why we have planned one more add-on batch here. So this batch will be continued from Monday as per our regular classes. Okay, right. Sir, is this information is okay for you people about this course? Yes, please confirm. I think for everyone, 7 a.m. is not an issue. I think so.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So yes, from Monday, the regular class will be started from 7 a.m. Okay. But demos, yeah, one more point I forgot to add. Sir, how many demos you can expect? Sir, the demos, today is the demo. Okay, today is the demo. What is it today? Friday. So Friday is a demo. Even this Saturday also demo will be there. And this Sunday also demo will be there. Maybe you can expect Monday also demo. So from Tuesday, if you want to attend these classes, you need to pay the amount and you have to get registered. Okay. And from Monday, I will share the running codes also for you people. So till that, demos will be there. But demos in the sense, don't neglect, because so from Tuesday, I'm not going to start again from the beginning. Where I left, from there only I will start. If any new person is came, I will share the videos. That's all. So this is a day one class, sir. So I explained about the course, about the syllabus, and what we are going to discuss. So then tomorrow I may start some other concepts. So day after tomorrow, some other concepts. So like that, it will be continued. Then there won't be any back steps, sir. Okay. So these things will be continued. Yeah, these 3 days demo will be 8 o'clock. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These 3 days demo class will be at 8 o'clock. From Monday, the classes will be there at 7 a.m. Srikant, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow also is at 8 a.m. only. Only from Monday, the class will be at 7 a.m.
Okay, thank
Same
you.
link. Yeah, same link. Same link you have to use till Monday. From
Okay.
Tuesday, the link is going to be changed.
Sir, just one last question.
Yeah,
Um,
please.
I tried joining one more similar batch, but you know what? It was like, initially it was 3 months, but then it dragged to around 7.5 months. In this
Oh,
case, in
no,
your
no,
case,
no. Yeah, please don't mention other faculty names here. And
no, no, no,
one
no,
more,
not here, not here, not here. Somewhere
yeah,
else it happened. Somewhere
yeah,
else
yeah.
it
Okay,
happened.
no
Not
problem.
here.
But here, sir, trust me, exactly 2 months. 60 hours is more than sufficient. Maybe if it is extended, 1 or 2 days will be there. That's all, not beyond that. And you
Okay,
will enjoy this course like anything, sir. With the previous batch experience, I am telling. So majority of the students are going to completely satisfied with this batch. Okay. So provided if you practice,
sure, sure.
that is
No, it's
very, very
just
important.
yeah. So some other institute somewhere
Yeah,
joined,
okay. No,
and
sir, here
okay,
nothing, sir.
okay,
Every day the class will be started, maybe 5 minutes before or 5 minutes later. We will wait for 5 minutes. And then
okay,
everyone is going to join. And if any person is not attending, so you have to watch that videos. So before
sure.
attending to the next class, the classes will be continuously will be there. If any holidays there means, maybe because of some personal reasons, 1 or 2 days, or if any festival is coming 1 or 2 days, like that, except that nothing will be there, the classes will be completely going. And even if I am taking any leave or if any holidays are there, I will give work for you people. Don't worry at all.
Okay.
Yeah, it won't be dragon, sir. Every concept clearly. Suppose if you
Okay.
are not, if you are unable to understand the concept what I am explaining, so in my schedule, if that topic has to be finished on the same class also, no problem. If you are unable to understand, I will break up to that. We will cover 1 or 2 examples. We will continue that concept in the next class itself. See here, duration is not important. Your understanding is very, very important.
Okay.
Right. Yes. So let me give some introduction for this Java, and then we will wind up. Okay, right. Sir, coming to this Java, is Java is available in different forms, sir. Okay, the Java is going to available in different forms in industry. Like I can say Java editions, Java editions. Okay, Sir, how many editions are there? The basic Java, okay, the basic Java is divided, okay, divided into three parts. Three parts. The first part is nothing but so Java standard edition. Second one is nothing but Java enterprise edition. Okay, so enterprise edition. So the third one which we have here is, sir, Java micro. Okay, micro edition. Micro edition. Like this, we have three different tools are there. Sir, what is mean by this Java standard edition? When we have to use this Java standard edition? So let me talk about this few minutes. Coming to this Java standard edition, sir, it is going to explain fundas of Java programming. Sir, I want to prepare a simple Java application. Yes, you must have an idea about this standard edition. So some people in our terminology, if I want to explain, it is nothing but core Java. It is nothing but core Java. By using this, we can prepare standalone applications. Like for example, sir, I want to prepare one calc. Just we have seen in today's session itself, right? This is nothing but a calculator application. Sir, how to prepare this calculator application? How you can able to work with this calculator application? So it is a standalone because it was developed in one system and it is working on the same system. This is called as standalone application. Like a budget calculator. Sir, I prepared one small Java application. So where I'm going to track my monthly expenditures, monthly income. Okay, in a beautiful format, it is going to prepare. So it is a small application which is going to run only on my laptop. So it is a standalone based on core Java only. I have prepared this. So next and after that, sir, if I want to work with any sir student details, or otherwise I can say student management system, SMS software I want to develop, or employee details I need to read from the user and I need to store it in the database. These type of small programs you can done by using core Java only. Sir, if you want, I will show you one small application. Just sorry for killing the time. Just please have a look once. This is a small application, sir. Of course, it is not that much beautiful application. It is a small application. Okay. Yes, have a look once. Here I have some Jdbc projects are there. So it is a standalone projects, sir. These are nothing but standalone projects. Yes, sir, I am going to run this project. Oh, not this one. Yeah, a small project. Of course, internally some n number of things are there. Have a look once. This is my project. Okay, this is my project. So you can see what this project is doing. It is a standalone project. Name, email ID, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5, subject 6. Like this, it is accepting the data. So I have MySQL database is there in my system, which is already installed. Sir, in that, there is one project is there. Sir, what commands you are typing? Don't worry. These things also we are going to discuss in our core Java. The basic things I am going to provide. Don't worry at all. Sir, like this, I have one small SMS table is there, where it is reading name of the employee, email ID of, name of the student, employee ID of the student, subject 1, subject 2, like this we have. So these information we are going to provide from this console. Sir, what about a total? My application will calculate. What about a percentage? My application will calculate. What about grade? My application will calculate. What about result? My application will calculate. Is it visible to the user? No, it is not visible. Sir, assume I am giving the name of the student is nothing but something like G1. Okay, the name of the candidate is G1. Is that information is available? No. Sir, what about email ID? Sir, G1 at abc.com. Excellent. Subject 1 marks 78, subject 2 marks 66, subject 3 marks 89, subject 4 45, subject 5 66. Sir, subject 6 100 marks. Like this I am taking. Just if you click on insert, these records will be inserted. Here, how many records are there till now? We have only 5 records are there. Let us check that the 6th record will be added or not. Sir, what status we got here? Inserted. Now let us open that. Sir, is that a 6th record came or not? Yes, just now we got. So this is the way how you can able to work with standalone applications. These applications are called as standalone applications. Sir, what about enterprise applications? What about enterprise applications? Sir, it is going to cover advanced concepts. Okay, advanced concepts of Java programming, like server side. So how to prepare the program, how to place it on the server. Okay, so if I am placing on the server, any system which is connected with that server can access the data. Sir, how it is going to be done? So for this, we need to learn advanced Java. Of course, as of now, it is not in our content. Okay, sir, it is called as server side programming. Server side programming. Okay, and these type of what kind of applications we can able to prepare with these? Sir, you can prepare enterprise applications. Enterprise applications, or I can say distributed applications. So distributed applications we can prepare with the help of these things, right? Sir, here example for these projects, like maybe, sir, online, okay, online ticket reservation, online ticket reservation system. Yes, it is nothing but best example for enterprise application. Sir, the server will be located somewhere. So from in my home, I can open Book My Show app and I can register for the tickets. Sir, I can open any portal, I can reserve for the tickets. So that application is somewhere available. So from my home with my fingertips in my mobile, I'm going to work on it. So this kind of thing is also available, right? Yes, these kind of projects are best example, like Gmail application. Okay, so if you want to apply for original degree, OD applications, so all these things are now online, right? So these are applications are comes under enterprise applications or distributed applications. Sir, what about micro edition? What about micro edition? Sir, it is very simple. It is using micro programming. Micro programming. Okay. So which is useful for the mobile based applications. Mobile based applications. Okay. And sir, frankly speaking, so this is not that much powerful, sir. Okay. This is not that much powerful. So because of Android, because of Android. So because of Android operating system, so these days we are not using this Java micro edition. Maybe if you have remembered, so in 2000 and 2006, in this time period, there are some Java games also there. Okay, so they have prepared some Java applications, Java games on the mobile environment, but because of some reasons, so Java is not that much inbuilt support is not there for mobile applications, but it is providing as a tool for supporting. So this Java is giving support for Android, but complete mobile applications are not developed by using Java. So their interface they are using is Android, but backend process, everything is going to be done with the help of Java programming only. So Java is providing support for Android, but with the help of only Java, you can't prepare a mobile edition programs, mobile applications. We can prepare, but that is not that much popular because of n number of things that is not in our curriculum as of now. Okay, so these are nothing but three types of editions what we have in Java. Okay, sir, I think you got a clarity about this thing. Okay, sir, now we are we are learning which one, sir? We are learning, so Java standard, we are going to learn Java standard edition. Okay, so Java standard edition, so syllabus already given, syllabus already given. So with this we are going to start. Okay, with this we are going to start. These are nothing but the syllabus what we are going to cover. Okay, Sudhir, he is giving some question. IO streams, yes, IO streams is a part of this file and database handling. Okay, collection framework is a part of this collection. Don't copy paste the syllabus from other areas. Everything I told, right? Everything is there here. Reflection API already I have given. Remote method invocation that comes under these advanced Java concepts, not required to cover in core Java. Garbage collection will be covered in OOPS concepts itself. Okay. Yes, these topics also will be covered. Clear? Sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm, friends.
Yeah, I have one doubt, Prakash.
Yeah, please, sir.
Java new feature means Java 8 features or any other?
Every feature, sir. From Java 1.5 onwards, every feature we are going to cover, but not all, sir. Which are important that I am going to concentrate.
Okay. I mean,
Because because some small enhancements are there. Those are not required for the programmer. Which are required, that part we are going to discuss.
okay, which are you using real time, right? You are talking.
Yes. Java 1.8 features we are going to cover, like Lambda expressions, stream APIs. Okay, so literal based new features are there. So switch case related new features are there. So interface methods, we can take methods inside interface. All these things we are going to cover. Default methods nature, that concepts will be there, sir. Even if I list out, you can't get it, but we have, but not all. We are going to cover maximum. Okay.
Okay, major concepts, right?
Yes, right. Those are required for the industry. Those things we are going to cover.
Thank you so much.
Right. What topics comes under Java Enterprise Edition? So Java Enterprise Edition is a big domain in that you can expect a Spring frameworks, servlets, JSPs, JDBC, RMI concepts. Okay. Distributed concepts, n number of things will be there. We have multiple frameworks are there. All those things will comes under this enterprise. Okay. I mean, advanced Java. Clear? Molika. Right. Sir, I think everything is very, no. As of now, this is meant for only core Java. If any my advanced Java batches are going to be started, I will inform you, then you can continue with it. Yeah. So again, I'm repeating, sir, we are going to use a hacker rank link also for practicing programs. In today's session, I didn't explain that. Maybe tomorrow session at very beginning, I will take one small Java program. I will try to explain how it is going to work, and I will introduce this what you can call hacker rank link also. So tomorrow our main target is we are going to start a small programming area. Okay, so how it is going to work? Don't miss tomorrow's class. I told, right? So coding area is very important. So that tomorrow we are going to initiate. Then I will go with introduction to the programming tomorrow itself. Okay, right. So again, I am repeating, the title of the course is Core Java. The duration is exactly 2 months. Within 2 months, we are going to finish this course. Okay. Fees is 5,000 rupees. These are the contact numbers if you want to register for this course. Okay. Next, and after that, remember carefully, this batch is at 7 o'clock, not 8 o'clock. These 3 days, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, it will be at 8 o'clock. From Monday, the classes are going to be started with 7 o'clock. Okay. So demos up to Monday, you can expect the demo, right? So this is nothing but the information about the course. So hope you have enjoyed this demo session. If you are having any queries, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave the session. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.